Welcome back to another Tranter Show video, and today I'm about to show you guys how to use Voicemod on Xbox or PlayStation. Basically, this is just more for the Xbox side of things, just because I own an Xbox. For the video that I'm showing you right now currently on the video is one of the videos I did over a year ago, and I did see a lot of people was having problems from the Xbox point of view. So hopefully this is an update for 2025 and also a good fix for most of you. At least that's what I'm kind of hoping, anyways. So first of all we need is to have Voicemod open. We need to get a Voicemod sorted out for our mic and our headset before we even worry about the Xbox. So first of all, your Voicemod should look like this. Go to your settings. Make sure you click on your mic that you want to use, and obviously your headphones you want to use. Click on the headphones that you want to use to hear your own voice. From you then, that's all we need to do is to click the Windows logo on G to open up the game bar. For some unknown reason, Microsoft has moved the option where you could choose your headset and your mic from the Xbox app. So you have to click onto the game bar. Then you should see this little speaker on your game bar. If not, there should be an option to add it. But I think it generally is just built into the game bar these days. Click on your audio, which should bring up. Again, make sure it's on the headset that you want to use. Then for the voice, all you want to do is to make sure that it's onto Voicemod. If you don't see it appear if you have your Voicemod closed, make sure Voicemod is open and running in the background, and now when you should be able to see it. And make sure that your other mic, if you want it as your default input, you can choose Voicemod to be your default put. And then obviously your notification ones or community output is to make sure that it is also your headset. Once you've done that, there is two options how to use Voicemod on Xbox. Is by the first one is go into your friends list, create a party, and now you should be able to see my mic talking. You can see the little white circle around my profile. Which then means that it is working as it should. The second method would be if you want to use it on the Xbox itself and use it on game chat possibility. Then what you want to do is to open the Xbox app itself. Also, my Xbox needs update. You can stream one of the games that you want to play, and now it should work. So if we type in a game like Call of Duty. Call of Duty Game Pass. And we click play. So if you want to play with a cloud gaming and actually use this as an example, then all you want to make sure to do is to go up to the top right with the little menu for the cloud, click on the little three dots and make sure the mic is not muted. Because for some reason, by default, this is on mute. And now that you're in your game and is up and running, you should be able to play your game. It's actually mad. You're able to play the game, go on game chat and fuck around and get people to scream. So if you don't want to use a game code game or Game Pass game, but if you don't want to use it, or you got this game already on Xbox but you don't pay for Game Pass, so then you can click on your stream console, which is up at the top. Click on whatever console that you want to use. So in this case, I'm using my downstairs Xbox, which is called XB. Reopen it. And now that it's picked up my mic, for some reason it didn't pick up. I was streaming. From here, click unmute, and now that you would see on my profile. Hold on, we go back. Now you see on my profile on the Xbox that it is picking up that I am talking. Sometimes I might do a little glitch, especially if I'm like on YouTube or Netflix. You're watching, you stream your Xbox, then it will end up being. Then you end up like having like this weird glitch where it sometimes don't work. So you have to unstream, restream, and sometimes I'll fix it. Obviously, the only one problem with streaming a game or streaming your Xbox would be the fact of you can't get it straight onto your PC. You can't access Voicemod. So the one thing you could do is download the Voicemod Remote Control app on your on your phone and do it that way. But if you're not using your PC, then no biggie. You're able to still use.
So now how to play it on your TV, or now how to like set it up now. You follow all the footsteps that you guys needed to do for Voicemod to get working on your Xbox, but through the Xbox app, through cloud gaming or streaming. But now you want to play it on through your TV and still be able to play on your TV. So now once you start up your streaming your Xbox to your laptop, all you need to do is to make sure to now, for me, I'll make sure that my mic is turned on. By default, it's always muted, to make sure you just turn it off. Close that back, and then from the top, you can usually make it smaller, make it fit the screen, and then you can click away. Anyway, I wish like Microsoft wouldn't really like cover that, but hey, oh, they guess they gotta do. But now I'm streaming to my Xbox right here, and I'm still able to play it through my TV. It's like now you can see now my control play is still in play. So now I can create the party on through the Xbox itself. And every time I speak now for the mic from my laptop, and now it's working. Now once all Voicemod is done and all changed, I'm able to configure all my Voicemod I want to be, soundboards, stuff like that. So now, I'm trying to push this in a way, it's in front of it. So now, if I end up, this is so weird for to do. So now I press the button. So now Voicemod is working on the Xbox without needing any wires. All I need is a laptop or Windows 11, and I have Voicemod installed on the Xbox the Xbox app installed, and streaming from a console. There's no wires, there's pretty much no setup. It is completely free. Now you can use any voice changer. You don't have to use just Voicemod. Because I'm using Voicemod in my Voicemod videos, doesn't mean you have to use Voicemod. So yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys for now. Bye for now.